What if you could create stunning, professional-looking art without spending years learning how to draw or paint? Right now, AI is completely changing the art game. In just a few clicks, anyone can generate jaw-dropping artwork, illustrations, and visuals that look like they came straight from a professional artist's studio. In this video, I'm going to show you 5 of the best AI art tools available right now, what makes each one powerful, and how you can start using them today. Let's get into it. 1. Midjourney, the king of AI art quality. When people talk about AI-generated art, Midjourney almost always comes up first, and for good reason. This tool is famous for producing some of the most visually stunning and detailed images you'll find from any AI platform. But what makes Midjourney stand out is the sheer quality and artistic depth it brings to every single image. Whether you want a dramatic fantasy landscape, a realistic portrait, a futuristic city scene, or something completely abstract, Midjourney handles it with a level of detail that can genuinely fool the eye. To use it, you go through Discord, which might feel a little different if you're used to regular apps, but it's actually pretty simple once you get the hang of it. You type a prompt describing what you want to see, and Midjourney generates 4 image variations for you. You can then refine them, upscale them, or generate new ones based on what you liked. The community aspect is also great because you can see what prompts other people are using and get inspired. Midjourney runs on a subscription model, but the results are absolutely worth it if you're serious about AI art. It's the tool that professional designers, content creators, and even brands are using to create eye-catching visuals at lightning speed. 2. DALL-E 3 by OpenAI, best for accuracy and detail. DALL-E 3 is OpenAI's latest image generation model, and it's directly integrated into ChatGPT, which makes it incredibly easy to access. If you already use ChatGPT+, you have this tool right there waiting for you. What sets DALL-E 3 apart from other tools is how well it understands your text prompts. With older AI art tools, you often had to write prompts in a very specific way to get good results. DALL-E 3 has changed that. You can describe what you want in plain, everyday language, and it will understand exactly what you mean. For example, you could say something like, draw a cozy coffee shop on a rainy evening with warm yellow lights and people reading books inside. DALL-E 3 will give you something that matches your description remarkably well. It's especially great for creating illustrations that need specific elements, text inside images, or very precise visual storytelling. It's also one of the safest tools when it comes to avoiding copyrighted material and generating appropriate content. If you're a blogger, social media creator, marketer, or just someone who loves experimenting with visuals, DALL-E 3 is one of the easiest and most powerful tools you can start using right now without any complicated setup. 3. Adobe Firefly, the safe and creative choice. Adobe Firefly is Adobe's own AI art generator, and then it brings something really important to the table that other tools sometimes struggle with. It's designed to be commercially safe to use. Adobe trained Firefly on licensed content and Adobe stock images, which means when you use it to create artwork, you can feel confident about using those images in commercial projects without worrying about legal issues. That's a big deal for businesses, freelancers, and anyone creating content for clients or selling products. Firefly is deeply integrated into Adobe's suite of creative tools, including Photoshop and Illustrator, which makes it incredibly powerful for professional creatives. Inside Photoshop, for example, you can use generative fill to add, remove, or replace elements in a photo just by describing what you want. Want to add a mountain range to a background? Just select the sky, then type your prompt, and Firefly does the rest. You can also use it to create custom graphics, textures, and text effects. It's not just about generating standalone images from scratch. It's about enhancing and elevating your existing creative work in ways that would have taken hours before. For anyone who already uses Adobe products, this is an absolute game changer that fits right into your existing workflow. 4. Leonardo AI, the best free option for creators. Leonardo AI is one of the most generous and feature-rich AI art platforms out there, especially considering that it offers a solid free plan that gives you a meaningful number of image generations every single day. If you're just starting out and don't want to spend money yet, Leonardo AI is the perfect place to begin. But don't let the free tier fool you. Yet this platform is genuinely powerful and used by serious creators, game developers, and designers who need high-quality visuals on a regular basis. What makes Leonardo AI particularly interesting is the level of control it gives you over your outputs. You can choose from a huge variety of trained models, each tuned for different styles like photorealism, anime, fantasy art, concept art, and more. You can also fine-tune settings like aspect ratio, guidance scale, and image strength to really dial in exactly the look you're going for. There's also a canvas feature that lets you extend images, add elements, and paint over them, which gives you even more creative flexibility. 5. Canva AI Magic Media. Easiest for non-designers. If you're someone who uses Canva for your social media posts, presentations, or any kind of design work, then you probably already have access to one of the most user-friendly AI art tools available today. Canva has integrated AI image generation directly into its platform through a feature called Magic Media, and it fits perfectly into the Canva workflow that millions of people already know and love. You don't need to switch between different apps or learn any new complicated interfaces. You just open Canva, go to the Magic Media option, type in what you want to create, and boom, you have an AI-generated image ready to drop right into your design. What makes Canva's AI tool so powerful for everyday users is the combination of ease and practicality. You're not just generating art for the sake of it. You're generating it within a design context where you can immediately use it, resize it, add text over it, change backgrounds, and do everything else you'd normally do in Canva. For small business owners, social media managers, teachers, and anyone creating content without a professional design background, this is honestly one of the most useful tools in this entire list. It removes the barrier between having an idea and seeing it come to life in a polished, ready-to-publish format. Canva's free plan gives you some limited access, and the Pro plan unlocks the full Magic Media experience along with all the other premium design features. And that's a wrap on the 5 AI tools that are completely changing how we create art. Whether you go with Midjourney for its stunning quality, DALL-E 3 for its accuracy, Adobe Firefly for professional and commercial use, Leonardo AI for its generous free features, or Canva's Magic Media for its sheer ease of use, all 5 of these tools give you the power to bring your creative ideas to life faster than ever before. And with the best part, you don't need any artistic skill or design experience to get started. Just type what you imagine and let the AI do the heavy lifting. If you found this video helpful, do me a favor and hit that like button. It really helps the channel grow and lets me know what kind of content you want to see more of. If you're new here, subscribe so you don't miss the next video where I'll be diving into even more practical AI tools that can save you time and make your work look incredible. Drop a comment below telling me which tool you're going to try first. I'll see you in the next one.